Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing proportions. Draw a vertical center and a horizontal eye line so both eyes sit evenly. Use a light pencil and sketch 2 almond bases, making outer corners subtly lifted for that Krishna grace. Once done, mark inner tear ducts slightly closer together. This compresses the gaze and creates intimacy. Make sure to keep strokes confident but faint. These are guides, not final lines. You will refine them as you add lids, iris placement, and later, expressions. Now refine the lids and the eye's inner detail. You draw the upper lid heavier to suggest depth, while the lower lid stays thin and soft. This contrast gives divine softness. Then place the iris so the upper lid overlaps roughly 1/4 of it. Insert the pupil centered and add 1 or 2 small highlights to convey wetness. Once that's established, add short, curved lashes that follow lid curvature. Avoid randomness and balance length on both eyes to maintain a serene, focused expression. You finish by shading and ornamenting. Apply a gentle gradient across the sclere and a radial texture in the iris, keeping highlights sharp so the eyes read luminous. Next, draw a thin kohl line closely following the upper lid and add the small bindi or tilak motifs above the bridge. These anchor the cultural look. Finally, inspect symmetry and fix proportions. Erase the guides and softly blend harsh pencil lines. If something looks off, compare left to right. Adjust lid angles first. That usually corrects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.